Hello my dears, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Today we are going to start our 9th chapter. Chapter name is Through India. Okay children, shall we start? Dear children, our 9th chapter is Through India. We all know that India is our country. And our India is a vast land with 28 states. In your textbook, a poem is given, and this poem gives a small description about our country, India. What are the things mentioned in the poem? Yes, India is our native land. The state which mentioned in the northern tip of our India is, yes, Jammu Kashmir. And this Jammu Kashmir is considered as the paradise of tourists. Which is the next state mentioned in the poem? Yes, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is seen at the southern tip of India. And this Tamil Nadu is the land which celebrates the festival Pongal. The state which mentioned in the eastern part is Arunachal Pradesh. What is the specialty of Arunachal Pradesh? Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is considered as the state of Red Hills. Which is the last state mentioned in the poem? Yes, Gujarat. Gujarat is seen at the western part of our India, and it is the birthplace of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay children, this is the map of our India. In India, there are 28 states. They are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So children, these are the 28 states of our India. Okay, so now we have to study more about our states. The first state given in your textbook is Arunachal Pradesh. It is the state seen at the eastern end of India. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. The biggest Buddha Vihara temple is situated here. Wild buffalo called Midun is the favorite animal of all the people in Arunachal Pradesh. And the people of Arunachal Pradesh speak several languages. So these are the information about Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the next state given in your textbook? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir has two capitals. Winter capital is Jammu and the summer capital is Srinagar. Jammu Kashmir is a land of mountains, lakes and rivers. The largest freshwater lake of India, Ular Lake, is situated in Srinagar, summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Another important lake, Dal Lake, is also seen in Jammu and Kashmir. Urdu and Kashmiri are the two important languages used here. Hafiza, Bacha Nagma and Raf are the important dance forms in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay dears, Did you understand about the two states of our India? Okay, so now I am going to give you an activity. It is given in your textbook of page number 99. With the help of the political map of India given in your textbook, you have to find out the answers to the questions given in the textbook. Okay dears, I hope you understand the topics that we discussed on today. Now it's time for winding up. Thank you.